Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to do my April BOXYCHARM unboxing. If you don't know anything about BOXYCHARM, it's a monthly subscription service. You get 4 to 5 makeup products, mostly full size, for $21 a month, and you do have to pay for shipping and tax depending on where you live, and I'm pretty sure it's only available in the United States. I'm not 100% sure though. So today's box theme is peace, love, and Boxy. So it's kind of like Coachella festival, themed. And my variation is number 15, so there is quite a lot of variations this month. So I'm going to start with the palette. This is super cool. This is the PUR Festival Palette. It is so pretty. I used it on my eyes today. I don't know. The glitter I had a hard time with. I think I made the mistake of putting concealer down as my base because this kind of already has like a sticky consistency and it was like mixing in with my concealer. I don't know, my eyes kind of remind me of that movie, what is it, Death Become Her, where the two ladies are dead and he keeps fixing them up by spray painting them and their skin is all gross. I don't know, that's kind of how my eyelids are right now. They look pretty like far away, but up close they look really textured and gross. Will you two stop it? Of course my cats are gonna fight right now. What else? But I did use the mattes. I used this shade Epic, All Night, and Wild Child, and I thought the mattes blended beautifully. I really did. I used the eyeshadow primer. I don't know if I have it, grabbed it. Well, it came with a little sample of eyeshadow primer, and I used that, and I thought it was really nice. The eyeshadow primer has like color to it, so it conceals any redness or, veins you have. I don't know. I thought it was a really nice eyeshadow primer. I don't know. I'm super excited to play with this more. I'm going to try the glitter shades without a base. Maybe it doesn't need one. I don't know. And I felt like I kept patting it off and it would stick to my finger, but when I would put it on my eyelid, it wouldn't stick to my eye. I don't know. I'll show you. Like, it looks really gorgeous, but when I put it on my hand, it doesn't stick. And look at how much is still on my finger. I'll try to swipe. I don't know, it doesn't want to come off my finger. So this palette, PUR, retails for $36. Not bad. You already got the value of the box right there, and they are selling that palette on Ulta's website. Okay, let's go by I'll go by the order of the card. I got the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set. It comes in this really cute bag. Let me try to pull it out. So you have a contour brush. That's what at least they say this brush is. And I did use it today and it worked just fine. I thought it was actually a good size to make it like, I don't know, like a nice defined line. And this one's like the blending one. I use this for the pink. I thought it worked pretty good. I wasn't so sure because it's not like the rounded, blender brush type, but it did work pretty good. I just like kind of swiped it back and forth. And then this little flat brush I use to apply the glitter. I just like try to pat it on. So I'm super excited to get these brushes. They retail for $28. Look, I just love getting brushes in a subscription boxes. I don't ever have to buy brushes. Okay, then I also got the Artist Couture. It's a loose highlighter. It's called Diamond Glow Powder. and it retails for $27. This is in the shade Summer Haze. This is really pretty. I think it's kind of like a peachy highlight shade, and it actually works on my skin tone. It is a little glittery. Here you can see it better. It's definitely a lot glittery, and I had such a hard time opening this. There's a turn. I want to show you without making a mess. You turn this, but when you first get it, there's a plastic seal on this that you could barely see. So take some tweezers and try to peel it off. Like, you have to like maneuver. When I first got, I didn't even see that there was a plastic thing there. I had to actually Google it and look it up. I guess it's a common problem. People can't figure out how to open this. Okay. I also got the Steve Laurent lip gloss, which retails for $22. This is in the shade Champagne. It's a pretty, like, kind of clear gloss with a little bit of shimmer. That's all I'm wearing on my lips today. It's not sticky. I don't know. I think it feels really nice. It kind of does. It feels thick, like you're wearing a gloss, but my lips aren't sticking together. It feels moisturizing. I guess it claims to be like a gel oil hybrid, which is kind of interesting. So, I don't know. I'm liking this. I don't know if I said this or not already, but it retails for $22, which is pretty pricey. I'm pretty sure my daughter got one of this brand in her Ipsy before, but like a smaller size. Alright, last but not least, Beauty for Real Finish Line Liquid Eyeliner, which retails for $16. This is a felt tip. It's in jet black. I kind of had a hard time putting it on over the glitter. It started getting like real chunky and, I don't know, like gross looking. So I used my e.l.f. like $2 liquid liner to go over to try to smooth it out. I will have to try this without glitter, because I know liners do have, some of them have a hard time going over glitter, and the weird, I don't know, concealer glitter thing I got going on. So hopefully this will work better, you know, with just regular eyeshadow, matte shadow, or like shimmer shadows. But I am excited. How did you guys like your box if you get BOXYCHARM? I would love to know. And I'm excited to see spoilers for May. I am one of those people who definitely look up and Google spoilers, because I don't know, I'm not patient. So, alright, my Ipsy should be coming soon, and my ColourPop Sweet Talk palette will be coming soon too. So I will see you guys soon. Bye.